Today is going perfectly. Not the hot dogs, too?
This is crazy!
Okay, team. Today is pool party day.
Yes! I love pool parties! Can I bring my unicorn float?
Of course. Bring the unicorn. Bring the dinosaur. Bring everything.
Mike, slow down. We need a plan.
I have a plan. Step 1, fire up the grill. Step 2, water balloons. Step 3, have fun.
That's not really a plan, Dad.
It's my plan.
Here we go again. Tom, can you blow up this float?
Sure, Mom. Dad, where's the cooler?
Right here. Ice cream, lemonade, and surprise.
Ooh, what's the surprise?
Popsicles for everyone.
Best dad ever!
Okay, music on, sunscreen on, and let's start the party.
Let's get this party started.
This is so relaxing. The water feels great today.
This is perfect. No problems, no stress.
Burgers are almost ready.
Dad, don't forget the hot dogs.
Don't worry, son. I've got this under control.
Famous last words.
Race you to the other side. You're going down, Emma.
I could stay right here all day.
Hey, save some energy. Lunch is almost ready.
Smells amazing, Dad.
So I told him, no way. No way. That's too spicy for me.
Mike, do you smell something?
My burgers!
Dad, they're so smoky.
It's fine, it's fine. Just extra crispy.
Extra crispy is one way to say burnt.
I was watching it. I just looked away for 1 second.
Dad, it smells like a campfire.
A campfire? With burgers. That's still cooking, right?
Dad, that one's really, really black.
Okay, maybe one backup pizza.
I'm just drying my towel.
Whoa! I can't see!
Dad, are you okay?
I'm fine. Who turned the fan on full speed?
Sorry, Dad.
Hey! That's my hot dog!
The birds are part of the party now.
Nature said no to your cooking, Dad.
This party has a mind of its own today.
Hey, everyone, watch me! Cannonball!
Tom, no!
Tom!
Oh no, I'm so sorry.
The buns are swimming now.
Dad looks like a wet dog.
It's okay, buddy. Just be more careful next time.
I didn't know the splash would be that big. Tom, that was actually the best cannonball ever.
Here, dry off before you catch a cold.
Best cannonball, worst timing.
Want me to get you a new lemonade, Dad?
Sure. Just watch where you're walking this time.
I'll dry the table. No problem.
The burgers!
Oh no, not again.
Well, at least the fish will eat well today.
Wait, I'll make it better. I made lemonade for everyone. I keep making it worse. Tom, I just wanted to help. Now everything is broken. The burgers, the lemonade, the towel.
Look at me.
I'm sorry, Dad.
Hey, mistakes happen. What matters is that you kept trying to make things right.
Really?
Really, that's what makes you a good kid. Hey, we heard there's a party. We brought backup food.
And dessert, just in case. You have no idea how perfect this timing is.
Well, everyone, new plan. Pizza, ice cream, and a pool full of memories.
Best disaster ever? Best party ever!
All right, here we are.
I can't wait to see the new game store.
Okay, everyone. We are at the mall today. What do you want to do first?
I want to eat pizza. And ice cream.
I want to buy new shoes. My shoes are too small now.
Haha, okay. Let's go to the shoe store first. Then we eat lunch.
Yes, this mall is so big. I love it here.
Wow, look at all the cool shoes!
Mom, look. These shoes are beautiful. Can I try them?
Yes, of course. What size do you need?
Size 5, please.
Tom, don't run in the store. Walk slowly, please.
Sorry, Dad. Dad! I can smell pizza. Can we eat now? Yes! Emma has new shoes now. Let's go eat. Wow, this is the best pizza ever.
This pizza is so good. I want more.
Fire alarm! Fire alarm! Please leave the building.
Mom! What is that? I am scared.
Don't worry, Tom. It's the fire alarm. We need to leave now. Hold my hand.
Emma, Tom, stay close. Do not run. Walk fast. Follow me. Keep moving. We're almost there.
Come on, Tom. Watch out for that tray.
Just through the door. Keep your eyes open, kids. Stay close.
What do we do?
Left. The exit is that way. Where is the exit? I do not see the green sign.
Dad, I can see smoke. Over there. It's coming from that shop.
Don't go near the smoke. Cover your nose, Tom. Use your shirt.
Okay, Mom. Like this? My eyes hurt. I'm scared, Mom.
Help! Over here! We need help!
Are you okay? How many people are with you?
4 people. Me, my wife Sarah, and our 2 children. We can't find the exit.
Please follow me. The exit is this way. Stay behind me. Walk. Do not run.
Tom, hold my hand. We walk together, okay?
Emma, are we almost there?
Almost there. 30 more seconds. You are doing great.
Keep moving. We're almost there.
We are outside! Fresh air! I can breathe!
Thank you so much. You helped our family. We are very grateful.
You're welcome. I'm happy everyone is safe. Please wait here. The firefighters are coming. Emma, Tom, are you okay? Does anything hurt?
I'm okay, Dad. Just a little shaky. But I'm okay. I'm okay too! Dad! Look! The fire truck is so cool! Oh, thank goodness! Wow, it's so big! Look, they're waving!
Today was very scary,
Yeah,
but we were calm.
yeah,
We worked together.
yeah.
I am proud of you all.
Mom, I learned something. In a fire, walk. Don't run. And cover your nose. I learned. Always stay with your family. And ask for help.
That's right. That's right. And always know where the exit is. Very important.
Now, who wants ice cream? I think we all need it. Right, Mike?
Ha! Yes! Great idea, Sarah. Let's go!
Yes, let's go! Woohoo! That was so much fun! Wait for me.
Coming, kids!
Oh, not again. I really need to get up. Just one more minute. Mike! Mike! The baby is coming!
What? Right now?
Yes. I have pain. We need to go to the hospital now.
Okay. Don't worry. I am here. Let's go. The bag. I need the bag. Wait here, Sarah. Where is the bag? Where is the bag?
Mike? The bag is in the bedroom. On the bed.
Oh. I see it. I have the bag. Let's go to the car.
Hurry, Mike. Hurry.
Almost there. Just a little further.
Hurry, Mike. I think it's time. Hello? Mom? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. What is wrong?
The baby is coming. We are going to the hospital. Please come.
I am coming right now. Don't worry.
We're here. Just hang on.
Oh, I don't think I can. It's too much.
We're at the door. Just a few more steps.
It's coming. Please hurry.
Hello? Please help us. My wife needs a doctor.
Of course. What is your wife's name?
Her name is Sarah. Sarah Brown. The baby is coming.
Okay, please sit down. The doctor is coming soon.
I'm here.
Thanks, Mike.
Always.
Mike, I am here. How is Sarah? Is she okay?
She is with the doctor now. She is okay. We wait here.
Good. I am so happy. This is a big day for our family.
Mr. Brown? Congratulations! Your baby is here.
Oh, really? Is it a boy or a girl? It's a girl. She is small and beautiful. Mom and baby are fine.
A girl. Oh, I am so happy. Thank you, Doctor. Oh. Oh, my dear.
Hello, Sarah. How do you feel?
I feel tired, but I am very happy. Look at her. She is so cute.
She is perfect. What is her name?
Her name is Emma. Emma Brown.
Welcome to our family, Emma.
Emma? Hello, Emma. I am your grandma. I love you.